morning, everyone. So today I'm going to cook bitter gourd sauté. These are the ingredients we're going to use: bitter gourd vegetables, tomato, onion, garlic, egg, and a bit salt. If the pan is hot, we will gonna put some oil. We will wait for it to get hot. And then we will put the garlic. If the garlic turns red, we will gonna put some onion. Next, we will put some tomato. While waiting the tomatoes to cook, we will beat the eggs. Next, we will put the pork. We will season it with salt and pepper. We will pour a glass of water to help the bitter gourd to cook fast. Water is boiled. We will gonna put the bitter gourd, but don't mix it. It's getting bitter. We will put some cover on the vegetable to cook fast. While waiting for the bitter gourd to cook, we will pour the eggs on top. Then we will put back the cover and wait till the vegetables are cooked. Finishment is bitter gourd sauté.
Wow!
Enjoy